Hello, you're looking at Piggy standing at one end of this concave slope. If we release this metal ball on the other end of the slope, is it going to hit Piggy? Well, it didn't. Looks like there were some frictional losses, right? Now, what if we release another ball, this time a magnetic ball, yeah? What do you think will happen? Oops, nothing much, yeah? They just get stuck together. Okay, let's try to do it another way. We'll start with the ordinary non-magnetic ball. And then another ordinary non-magnetic ball. Followed by the magnetic ball. Now you've got to be asking yourself two questions. First question, where did all the momentum come from? Did we just witness a violation of PCOM? Second question, where did all the kinetic energy come from? Did we just witness a violation of PCOE? Please leave a comment and click the like button. Ta-ta!